Good morning, and here we are. Look, it's December. It is also the end of the week. Christmas is coming. It's on its way, folks, and we are almost there, but not quite yet. As ever this morning, I have some commendations to hand out. I also have, I'm pleased to say, some more Lexia certificates to hand out, and it is lovely to see you all still focused on what you are doing, still putting yourselves through the paces as we head into the final days of term. So a very well done to every single one of you. Without further ado, commendations this week. Here we go. In Year 2, Kian A. U for Geography, and also Harrison B for Geography. Very well done. In Year 4, Hugh O.R. for English and Science U. Well done. Ari M. for English. Ibrahim K. for English and Science. And Joseph H. for English. And also Joan M. for English. Very well done to you. A Science commendation in Year 4 to Arshit L. Well done. And in Year 5 we have commendations for Rahul S. for Science, Jack J. for Science, Owen W. for Science, and then two splendid enrichment commendations, Rithik R. and Lalit S. both for enrichment work, and it was art and lovely to see. In Year 6 we have commendations for Rehan K. for a fantastic French recipe. And Science commendations in Year 6 go to Laith H, Hassanain A, Aidan B, and Mohammed F. Very well done to you all. And Lexia certificates as follows. Harrison B, Level 6. Monty A, Level 9. Yuvraj D, Level 10. Ari N, Level 10 and 11. Isa A, Level 10. Etan M, Level 10. Ishan G, 11. Joshua R, 11. Arshan N for Level 12. Ibrahim K for Level 13. And Mohammed N, wait for it, Level 15. So that is absolutely fantastic. As ever, commendations, certificates will be on their way. You are all doing incredibly well. Keep going.